Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about renaming and deleting files in Python. So, how to rename and how to delete files. Here we have this rename and remove, these two as an inbuilt methods in Python. Okay. So, these two inbuilt methods, rename and remove, these two are defined in an OS module. So, if you want to make use of these two inbuilt methods in your program, first of all you have to import OS module in your program. Okay. So, for that go to Python idle. Okay. So, here open a new file. So, we have to import OS module in your program, and OS dot rename is the method, inbuilt method. So it takes two arguments, the old file name and the new file name. Okay, the old file name which already existed, that file name, comma whatever may be the file you want to rename. Okay, that file, which name you want to give, you have to specify that new name to that file. Okay, so see here on the desktop I have a file called as a new file. Okay, so it is a text file. So I want to rename this with some text.txt. Okay, so see here my old file name is new file, as it is a text file .txt extension. Okay, comma, so I am going to change it to text.txt. Okay, so here now I am saving this on the desktop. Okay, here I am saving it like methods.py. Okay, now I am going to run this. So here you can see a blinking cursor, and if you go to the desktop, see here this has been changed to, new file has been changed now to text. So like this you can rename the file. Okay, suppose if the same rename operation if you are going to perform in the shell. Okay, so here see import OS. Okay, suppose if you give directly os.rename like that, you will get a error message. So here if you are performing the rename operation in the shell, you have to specify the path. Okay, so for that we have to know what is the current working directory. Okay, so see here this is my current working directory. By specifying this path I have to rename while you are working in the shell. Okay, so see here os dot rename of, so specify this path. Okay, so see here this is my path, just to copy it and paste here. And so what is the file name? See text. Here I am going to change this text again to new file. Okay, so see here now text.txt, comma, again specify the path. So what is the new file name you are going to give? New file.txt. Okay, so like this you have to change. Suppose if you press enter, so here you can see a blinking cursor, and if you go to the desktop, my text file has been changed now to new file. Okay, so like this you have to change the path from the Python shell. Okay, while you are going to rename, while you are going to perform this rename operation in the shell, you have to specify the path. So how you can know the path? Just give this os.getcwd. It will give the current working directory, so that you can get the path. Just copy that path and give the file name, old file name, and next you have to specify the path again, and whatever may be the new file name you are going to give, just specify that new file name. So like this we can perform rename operation. Okay, so next coming to remove. So now to perform remove operation, so this remove operation will delete the file. Okay, so see here on the desktop I have a new file, I want to delete this file. If you want to remove this file, so see, just here, as remove is also an inbuilt method which was defined in the OS module. Here also you have to import this OS. After that, OS dot, instead of rename, give remove. Okay, so just whatever may be the file which you want to remove, just give that file name. So on the desktop, so my file name is new file, just specify that new file. Okay, so new file dot txt. So like this you have to give, and just save this and run this, so that you can see the blinking cursor and that file new file dot text is removed. You cannot see now. Okay, so that file is already removed. Suppose if you want to perform the same remove operation in the Python shell, just os dot remove, specify the path name, okay, followed by the file name, so that that file will be removed. So while you are running or while you are using this remove and rename operation in the Python shell, just you have to make sure to specify the path, otherwise you will get an error message. Like this we have to perform renaming and deleting the files in Python. Thank you.